Welcome to our channel. Welcome to Master Figma UI Design. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting, this video is your shortcut to Figma mastery. In the next few minutes, we'll unlock the power of Figma and teach you the secrets of creating stunning user interfaces. So, let's jump right in and begin our design journey. Number 1. Getting started. First, let's get familiar with Figma. We'll show you how to start a new project and navigate the interface like a pro. You'll be designing in no time. Number 2. Design fundamentals. Before we dive into the details, it's crucial to understand design fundamentals. We'll cover wireframing, layout, and typography. Creating a solid foundation is key to a stunning UI. Number 3. Mastering components. Now, let's talk about components. Learn how to create reusable elements that will save you time and maintain consistency in your designs. Mastering components is a game changer. Number 4. Collaborative design. Figma is not just for solo designers. Discover how to collaborate seamlessly with your team, no matter where they are. Efficient teamwork is at your fingertips. Number 5. Prototyping. Time to bring your designs to life. We'll show you how to create interactive prototypes that will impress your clients and users. Prototyping is the key to user-centered design. And there you have it. In just few minutes, you've mastered Figma UI design. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow designers. Connect us via social media. Contact us via. Thanks for joining us on this design journey. Keep designing, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy designing!